Welcome back to Josh Does Math. In this video we're doing a derivative problem that involves this complicated function right here. So we're looking for ds dt. And we're going to be using many of the rules that we've learned so far on this function right here. So first of all, I can see that this is composed of a quotient. It's 1 divided by the bottom function. So I'm going to use the quotient rule on this. So the quotient rule says derivative of the top times bottom minus derivative of the bottom times top all over bottom squared. So that's what I'm writing out right here. Derivative of the top, 0 times bottom, which doesn't matter because it's just 0 up here, minus derivative of the bottom. So before calculating the derivative, I'm just going to write out that I'm taking the derivative times the top, which is just 1. All over bottom squared, so that's going to be 2t minus 3, all to the 4th power. It's just the power of a power rule. Alright. Now, in the top here, I need to find the derivative, so let's do that in our next step. So I'm writing the negative out front here because 0 minus this. So negative the derivative of this. The derivative of this is going to be using the chain rule right here. So we're going to say power out front, 1 smaller on the power, times the derivative of the inside. So derivative of the inside is going to be just 2, using the power rule. All over bottom, which is 2t minus 3 to the 4th. So now this can be simplified a little bit. We have a 2t minus 3 in both the top and bottom here, so that can cancel out. So we're left with negative 4 all over 2t minus 3 to the 3rd power now. And that doesn't simplify anymore, so this is our final answer. So as you can see, we just applied quotient rule, chain rule, power rule, all those different rules, and we were able to work through it in an order that makes sense and finally get down to our final answer here. Thanks for watching.